Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. Today's date is 5th of January 2018, and we are in our Trading for a Living series, and today is day 4. So we'll be talking about 4th January 2018 trades. First, let me go through our public channel. In the public channel, the day started on the 4th January. Yeah. Okay. First of all, let me just show you the performance for yesterday. So we had a 6,000 profit for the day. We had 4 trades. It was a 50% accuracy day for us. 2 trades hitting the stop loss for 1 hour, which is a loss of 1,500, and 2 trades we exited with the 2 hour and 4 hour, which is a gain of finally 6,000 over here. So 6 hour was the gain, 2 hour was the loss, overall 4 hour was the ultimate profit here. So the day started with our first chart here in the public channel. We had these 2 channel boxes over here. So the channels were like, these were simple channels, so we are expecting the price to move up from here to there, and then again from there to here, till the time the box is not broken in either side. It breaks towards downside, then we enter this box here, this channel here. Again, this support and resistance, nothing complicated kind of stuff here. Then what charts we have? Okay, so let's go into our members channel, members area, and there were a few trades, but let me share the key themes for the day here. So the day, okay, let's talk about this chart. So this was from here we started the day, right? And then we started falling, and you have this level of key level over here to look for a trade. But finally, it was not playing out on these levels, and then we decided 2 key levels to play with, and that is in here. Look at this, either this or this, no trade in between. So either this is, either we will be trading this key level, and which is broken afterwards, and we had the huge breakout towards next level of resistance here, and then the next key level was this one here. All right, so we have been waiting for the market to break either below this or a break above this. All right, then this is the future trade. Okay, all right, so let me go ahead with the chart here directly. Just give me a minute. Okay, so the finally we traded this level of key resistance, as I have shown you in the picture a few minutes back. So this has been traded twice using a breakout strategy as well as using a pullback strategy. This is the key level you see we have shared in the picture. Let me show you again this thing. This one, right? So we'll trade a ship of this layer up towards the upside. So ship is a breakout strategy we trade. So that's what you see in here. All right. And the trade we have taken based on, I'll show you that one. Okay, I'm not getting it here. Oh, yeah, I think here. Okay. So the trade is taken above this level of resistance using, when this breakout was happening. So we've been trading a 1 minute time frame chart, and we had a breakout trade over here. And then once price moved up, then you all know when this is a resistance and a resistance is broken above, or resistance is broken towards upside, then that resistance becomes what? That resistance becomes support level. So we bought it back on this level again here, using again a 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame chart, time frame charts over there. And then we were not able to capture the full momentum towards this resistance, basically, since there was a or channel formations going on, and it was the end of the day momentum over there. You see this channel momentum here. So basically we exited around this level, and right after our exit 1 2 3 on the third candle, we break it out and we push towards upside there, right? So that was one trade, but the most interesting trade is that how you get the signal, or how you get the price action momentums, that there is a breakout is gonna happen kind of scenarios. So I'll just share that idea with you guys, so that you can track it on your charts yourself, and before the breakout really happens, and you can guess the momentum towards that price action momentum. So it happened right from here. If you see the higher high high low build up here, overall, if I draw this chart, this is a triangle breakout structure, isn't it? If you forget this insider thing, this insider thing I had to draw just to show you, show you the more intensity of the strength. We have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows build up, and we have a key resistance, and luckily this resistance is the day's high also. So we have been trading a day's high resistance breakout over here. So this breakout, what happened really over here, is really pre-assumed right on this area. That would be possible, looking at the breakout structure happening up over here, because there was a false break and price reversed right after that false break. It really didn't respond to that false break over there, right? So this is a lesson for the day. You can count it as a lesson for the day, and you can use this particular thing in your charts, because see, this is how we come to know that the upcoming price action momentum will be massive one or no. And that's where we assumed this trade. Where is it? See, this one only able to update. Okay, I was not there. Take care of the black key level. I hope it will be a massive one. Now, when I'm saying it would be a massive one, the reason of my saying that it would be a massive one of that, looking at the triangle breakout structure, this triangle breakout structure, and a false break right over here, right? So I think this will be helping you to find out your trades, some breakout trades, because there will be a lot of breakout trades, because this is really hard. We are really lucky to capture it in 1 minute time frame, and it was an aggressive trade in 1 minute time frame too. We hardly captured it. It was just, the trade was a trade for 2 minutes. If you're late for 2 minutes in that trade, you would have missed that trade. It was so fast in that. So in this kind of scenarios, when you can enter the trade on a pre breakout structure, right before the breakout really happens, if you can capture the trade inside, then there are better chances to get into the trade, right? And that's what you can see, that whenever there is a key level of resistance, and right before the key level of resistance, whenever you see a pattern kind of a structure happening up, if you are able to read the price action happenings right before attacking the key level of resistance, then in most of the cases you are able to capture the momentum right before it starts. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time here.